One last bit of 2025 business I gotta take care of, and that's specifically in relation to the fucking nerdy computer kids who showed up in my fucking comments and gave me fucking shit for building a fucking desktop from scratch. You all fucking chided me. Hey, old man, why didn't you purchase SSDs, M2s? Motherfucker, maybe you have a fucking trust fund from your goddamn mom and dad. I don't. I'm not going to spend $15,000 a pop on a fucking 8 terabyte M2, you fucking cunts. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Now, the price of an 8 terabyte SSD is $900. $900. I'm waiting for that motherfucker to go down to $200, and I'm going to get fucking 4 of them, and your motherfucking asses who paid 15, 20K to have the latest fucking thing and didn't wait for technology to cheapen, you're going to be the fucking chump, not me. I'm holding on to my ancient HDDs. I've been waiting for this fucking day. It's about to fucking happen because that is the cool fucking thing about technology. It becomes fast, cheap, and for a motherfucker like me, I go out of control. So all you fucking kids who showed up in the comments and gave me shit when I rebuilt my desktop earlier this year, yeah, I'm gonna have the fucking SSDs as fucking promised. Badge of motherfucking honor. You motherfuckers had to fucking waste your goddamn parents' money. Not me. Not me, fuckheads. Yeah. Anyway, sorry to gloat, but you guys were really getting on my fucking nerves.